tay rakho chara su Papa bye bye bam sini tay rakho chara su Papa bye bye bam sini tay rakho chara su Papa bye bye bam sini tay rakho chara su Papa bye bye bam sini tay rakho chara su Papa bye bye bam sini
mấy quay nó ta thấy cô lô đức khang giang hồi bên trong thế mấy trong hồ là không cô lô đức khang giang hồi bên trong thế mấy quay nó ta cũng là luôn nè khai bao lô đó bùa à nó để ra đây anh các bạn bên quay rồi thay quay na hồ của lô đức khang thì thay trong ấy để quay trong chiếc kia gặp một thế sai
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ
mấy quay nó càng lục thâu bèn cái giang bấm mày bùi pu sum mày lúc hiền sum mày sna puna sum mày quên tay hay trong hồ khâu cù lâuทุกครั้งยังห้อยbấm trong thế anh nước quay trong cùng ngày sáng ngày đại cái canh có mấy giang khôi na hồ hung khâu mà say hung mà cái tao hay cái tụm một đông gang lâuทุกครั้งยังห้อยna hắn đất cao bấm trong thế thuyền cụ thế gang hôm nay người khăng ta quân giang sư lâu vui bầm nằm bắp khâu quấn mây hầm mạc na nằm ta hậu ma qua nê này tình lâu đi toán nghe nằm bầm khâu yên rồi cô sắp nu khuất thề luôn mình hay sắp tất tình lâu đi toán nghe nằm bầm khâu bầm nằm mang mây bắn đi dù na gần lâu tu thế nắng rui ta nắng ta hậu ma qua nê này nắng ta gian lâu là đi tòa nghe tao ngô apum tu hay gần ra mây rui tuần sư nắng đúng tha lâu bay ma ye lung ta ta hậu ma qua nê hay mà say hậu mà ghê mà say mấy mà ghê gang lô po say cái gan của mình trong đài mà không ai đài không cái chỉ lên rong mà say mấy cái gang lô po ông hề ta ni ta tăng thui ma
rủi quăng đặt ta đi gió ninh tha su khăn lúc dầm đất khăn quần gây thô ở gang mày quay si bay ta gắn cây là na xuân khát đất khát giang khát na su na cam thao đi khô ta xiang thao đi khô anh yêu ông thuộc lâu bùi gần thì hay đinh đinh ngầu đinh là khâu tuổi bụi tuổi đại lù khâu khâu tao râm khâu tật vâm xí đi riêng ra riêng riêu thiên quâm rồi na di su na ta quần gây thô ở gang mây quay si bay ta gắn cây là na xuân khát lát khát giang khát na su na cam thao đi khô ta xiang thao đi khô anh yêu học thuộc lâu bùi cần đi hay mây gan mây thai mà dinh bắn ta cả lan su cả lan ta dinh bắn quân tí du hầu ta di khâu tu khăn dân khăn thái mà ta ta quần cây thô á gang mây quay si mây ta gắn cây là na xuân khát lát khát giang khát na su na cam thao đi khô ta xiang thao đi khô anh yêu học thuộc lâu bùi cần đi hay
Hello, check. Hello, Tamenglong. Zien mai VIPs kan higoi ri hai shopper korina infal thang ta thau ko the tina sagang the kum pisang korina stalls ko ba me goi ramite katau pu thang arambe ding ra ba tun ta katau pu thang ta ding ra ba kai tho kai na kabam arrange lo ba mi tun hai kai na dung tiet lo na ani tong pram ka gan cha na hong su kan dik tho Hello Zien mai headquarter ko ba mai ramite nam thang roi Orange Festival ka zao khang the go me goi tai main venue ko kabam gai me arrange slow bam thai ka gan ni kai ban thai kum bizang korina gong dung sui na dung lo tho tna ran na jang hoi pitong thai Hello. Orange growers koni information ka jathai pare to make you nu become hai betong main venue ko program ka zau lo khang ni ka zau ku dong lo bo stall ko man sai khat ba me nu the security pang ni bam ban de ID card phung mai ni bam de nu the bai mi lang helpers kha lo khang gong ma me goi de tho ni main venue của program cái giáo không bắt đầu bắt đầu thì nên chẳng phải bắt đầu thế cái lối đến là thì thay cái lối đến là thì thay bang thăng tiếng bấm mai cái tàu bút thăng aramเขาtiếng rapแบบนั้นta cái là vậy thôi nên này program cái giáo khác hello apo ajay nang da du thang da lorio kage nai rabi te kum lu suna performance bam puni nang tan chit me nai bam sini inzelona pang thang da lorio tena ti thai petong thai
hello ti thai ka loi la we Mr. Hungya nang khani kapam tai inzia law na mitong announcing booth khaw wang report so law puti khang ti thai da mitong Mr. Hungya nang khani my lap ni minai ta inzia law na announcing booth khaw report so law puti khang jang hoi da mitong thong ku thai
Hello, hello, hello. Mấy người nó càng chỉ hỏi mình thế. Ấy cái đó số mấy tổ, ba mấy cái này đâu nè, số mấy request mà lạc đấy. Ba mấy shop yo na request mà lạc bagi. Gọi là hắn ta là sản phẩm trồng thế quang lô thôn. Hello.
Ba bay lục người gian lâu cần để say tâm đã khẳng định lâu mai kia phân thi khăn dân xuân cùng để định thế tu na đây nu lâu na đô nâng ta rập gian nâng ta rập cung nâng ta na hay đi gian bay cho ngâm thôi mà râm gian hay lung khâu nâng cu tu bấm cung thế bấm cây thôi mà lung nâng luôn hầu lâu mà ghi thay nâng toang lên ba sini tiền bay hay mà ghé lung mình khâu tu na đây nu lâu na đô nâng ta rập gian nâng ta rập cung nâng ta na hay đi gian mây cho ngâm thôi mà đại cùng quang ô dễ mấy nàng râm gia tuy đại cùng quang ô dễ mấy nàng râm gia tiếng nó phang bầm ní nắng ta in khoan bầm ní tiếng sang răng in khoan bầm ní tu ta đây tu lâu ta rồi nâng ta đâm cung nâng ta na hay đi giết bay cha ngắm thôi mà ram chân hay lung khâu nâng gu tung băng cung thế cha ngắm thôi mà lung khâu nâng gu tung băng cung thế mấy quay na anh đâu quay public công song VIP này cái hải bắn thế đâu quay mấy cái say gang đúc hăng chỉ ta mấy trung hồ lô đúc hăng thì thầm bấm tung thế mấy quay na mấy say gang cái mà hề dập phum lu rất sắc thế dập phum lu phum qua giao công giang ta tuang theo khâu gaiกันจะมุนก็ไม่อาคังอาลูสวานอันลัดซาลังคังเอเจ้าปานลูนาโรนังลำเดนเจ้าละโวนังตาจะเล่าเทียลุงรุยกุมเรียเยชารุยมุนวังกุมนาอาลุงนิ่งเขานังรุยวังบับกันเทมุนชื่อนาจะพุ่มลูอาศัยรุยเท่าลานานังลมให้อาคังรุยตีปัดโทอาจำลำมาลุสุลาโทอาลูสวนรุยนังตาหอยบำเนเจ้าปานลูนาโรนังลำเดดาวละโวนังตาจะเล่าเทียลุงรุยกุมยาเยชารุยมุนกวางกุมนาอาลุงนิ่งเขานังรุยวังบับกันเทมุนชื่อนา จะเล่าเทียลุงดุยกูเดียเย่จะรุยมันวังกุมนาอ้อลุงนิ่งเขาลังดุยวังวังกันเทมันเชื่อนาทางเขากระเป๋าในเราเนี่ยกระเป๋ากระเป๋า
Hello check Paul Zaita come to the middle of the stage stage จุงเขาดิ่งในลุสนใส่หูนี้ใส่
ไอ้ตัวไอ้นั่นกระเป๋ากระเป๋าสุขในตัวเองกระเป๋าสุขังกระเป๋าสุขังตากเราหน้าบัมเมตูน่าอินกันด้วยครั้งนี้กระเป๋าสุขังกระเป๋าสุขังตากเราหน้าบัมเมไม่ปุยไม่ปูไว้ครั้งนี้ให้กายลวงหน้าตาอินเดียนีนาเดนังดิวไทยขัดตาอากายอากิยาสุดสังนันลงโงให้ใจรำมันนาขัดขัดแต่ซีซีนาสู้ไม่ไหวใจริบกายก็รำเมขาดขาดตะกุมนาเสดลูกภูเขาหากวันรุ่ยสวยเหี่ยมที่เรากูนี้กระเป๋าสุขังกระเป๋าสุขังตามเราหน้าบัมเมตูน่าอินกันด้วยครั้งนี้กระเป๋าสุขังกระเป๋าสุขังตามเราหน้าบัมเมไม่ปุยไม่ปูไว้ครั้งนี้คุกง่ายบัมเขาให้รวมมาไม่ไว้ดูกาลิบสิไม่เดกายเฮานี่นะเดเศร้าจังนี่นะเดคุกง่ายกันเขาให้เนาตัดสินตาเจ้าสิไม่ยายมาไม่ปาปักหูเวลานิ่งสวยมันไปในลาทายมันไปในลาทายมันไปว่าไม่ปาตัวกระเป๋าสุขังกระเป๋าสุขังตากเราหน้าบัมเมตูน่าอินกันด้วยครั้งนี้กระเป๋าสุขังกระเป๋าสุขังตากเราหน้าบัมเมไม่ปุยไม่ปูด้วยครั้งนี้Next one, Amiro. Amang thang này đâu nhỉ? Amang thang.
Hello อารามินุนก็กวยนะติไท ถ่ายกันรวยเราเร่เสียเรานะไม่กวยนะมีตัวกระบำกระเสียมเรานะบ้าไม่เขาหายไก่นะดุ้งซ้ำเรานะมีตัวมงให้กระดำลานซ้ำเราปฏิวของตีไทยเราเว้อันนี้ตัวโปรแกรมรวมมีสิ่งไทยอันนี้ไทยกระแตวกระดุ้งกระบำมีตัวตะแกรงตัดมามีตัวขัดหน่อยแก้วกระดุ้งให้ไทยฮาวายใหม่มีตัวนิดหน่อยของไงไม่เคยห่วงเรานะปู่ Helicopter is approaching. Helicopter hay buông hay. Chief guest ไทยกงตังเรานะบัมเทกุมไปแซงเรนเซียเรานะกระแตวหังดิ่งเรานะบัมมินุนก็กวยตาย police นุนก็กวยแต่รันเซียเรานะ request ชุเรานะเท้าไก่เรานะปัวตัวนะแซงหวยกันรวยได้มีตัวไงหังแต่ duty บัมมินุนก็กวยนะแต่รันเซียเรานะ public นุนก็กวยแต่มีตัว campus กับมีตัว venue เขาไก่นะดงเราปุติวขังแซงหวยมีตัวไงอันนี้ไฮฮาวายแท้แก้วเขาดิ้งใหม่ก็ไม่สกินเสียเรานะแก้วตัดนะบ้าไม่หายนี่เก่งสีใหม่ไม่ตัวกันนี่หน่อยแก้วก็รวยกันที่นี่มีกวยในลงเน่งเขากับบิวนี่มีตัวนี่หน่อยเด็กก็ไปแซงเขาเรนเสียเรานะแต่เขาขับไปสุนัขแก้วเราตัวไงไก่เรานะผัวตัวน่ะแซงหวยกันรวยได้มีตัวไงท้องกูแท้ Luan ro na pungu tang may state level orange festival hai อารามแต่แมงร้องไม้คันนี้ก็แปลงกระสังห้างนี่รูปเรียนนู้นนะสู้กับกวยระนักวงตั้งเรานะมีมงหายกระแจวนี่เท่ตัวนะบ้าแม่ก็ไปจางครอยไม่กระทุยนะแต่ติงซุงกันตวงให้นินทุกเลี้ยงไม่กันอะคัดเดซิกไม่กันเขานั่นตัวนะอันนี้ตวง celebration ให้ตาไก่ไม่รับแม่ก็ไม่จางครอยเสียเล่านะกระตวงตานดวนนะสู้กับกวยตีนไม่นายบำสนี้มีตวงติงซุงดักไข่ไม่กวยนักกระดำวงอลอนซ้ำเราได้ขางจางหอยกระลวยนะจางหอยได้มีตัวไงก็มังคับไอ้สุนัขกระแตวแห่งดิ่งอบัมไม้จางควงเขาดิ่งอบัมไม่นุนก็ไว้เดินเสียเล่านะเรียนรำไม้สินี้ก็บังเขาไกลเล่านะปัวตัวน่ะสักกระลวยเราได้มีตัวไงก็มานี่ตรง chief guest ใช้กวงตั้งเรานะบัมแม่สารมั่งไม่ลงเขามีตรง venue เขาให้ก็ไม่กูตั้งเราไว้ไทยอันนี้ตรงโปรแกรมให้ก็มาตัดไก่รับตัวปนิเทศตัวน่ะที่ไทยเรามีตรงไงทนกูเท
เจียนไม่อารามตะแมงล้องไม่กวยคันนี้ดิสทริกบายไม่กวยทรุกวงไม่คันนี้อินเดียกับปุ่มมาคารินาให้พูดตรงกำลังงายขังงานจำเนี่ยกระดำลานจำเนี่ยแต่หนูวงมาไม่กวยนั่นเลยไม่กวยนั่นแต่กายไม่ละทนดีเว้ยนี่ไม่กวยนั่นแต่ welcome สวยอาสาน้องไม่ลงเขาอันนี้ตรง chief guest ไทยอันนี้ตรง function ตรง venue เขากุดปนิเทไม่จางคารินาก็เลยด้านนักรู้ทั้งบ้าไม่ดิ่งบางไก่ไม่นุ่นกวยไตอันนี้กะกายเขาโปรแกรมกะเขาไม่ต้องควรนะบางไก่ไม่นุ่นกวยแต่เสียแล้วนะให้ผู้ตวง venue เขาไว้กวงดงกระสุนเราปฏิวัติขังจังหวยไปตรงไงกะเขาปนิเทอันนี้ตรง chief guest สุนับบ้าไม่อันนี้ตวงสุขวังลุนพงไม่Nongthombam Biren Singh Chief Minister of Manipur คันนี้ก็ตรง entourage กวยไตอาสาไม่มีลงเขาอันนี้ตรง venue ตรง gate เขาTamenglong tuang asam rifle tuang helipad katurena pat punithe mizang khurena magoi na hepu bam khoi gwang sui na dunglau laki hepu tung program hamanim sima kagunai mitung thia khau kabanai mitung thia khau ta kai diu khang ti thai da pitung ngai Guang rai na hall kadung abang gai menun guai na kagan lasang ma kon sini na dung rim ma dung kon magai menun guai na tani tun ku men dau pitunge magoi na tong patience tani appreciate sumita ko ma announce la pitunge ko ma program ka haw ma loi mangan hai ko ma dung sui na dung lau padiu khang tani ko ma ka loi na jang hoi da pitung thai luan ru na pungu tang mi tuang State level Orange Festival hai zang ka thum ta kai ni mi tuang hai rai mi tung ting mix suna taw hai ka haw khang subam the zang ka thum ta kai bam puni man sai hai rai mi tung day 1 tuang rai mi tung session hai ka haw puni the ta hai pat pu the Chief Minister ani tung chief guest Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur Shri Biren Singh kani ka tuang entourage infal thung re nan ta helip ta wai aram Tamenglong khau he putu khongwa khongwang tang bam the kani tung seren khon te chu bam khong the ta wai ni tung venue function tung venue tung gate khau god khang sabam the kama CM go rap tu megan khau mu goi na sakhwang samai suna public me goi ne na kani khau bam gai me goi ne na ding thau lo padi ni ma ti thai pi tu nge Ani ton chief guest hai function venue ko gubam the magoi na zela the ding thalo kai kho The chief guest of today's 15th state level Orange Festival 2018 has just arrived with his entourage. The Chief Minister of Manipur Shri Biren Singh is the chief guest of this function. He is being flanked by the President Shri T.H. Kumar, Honorable Minister Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Mahud Forest Environment, Manipur, and guests of Honor Shri Samuel Jandai, Honorable MLA, 53 Assembly Constituency, Tamenglong, Shri Awangbao Niumai, Honorable MLA, 52 Assembly Constituency, Tamenglong, and Shri Karam Shyam, Public Distribution and Consumer Affairs Minister. They are being received by our DC, our Honorable Chief Minister, and the entire dignitaries who have come from Imphal. They're approaching towards the dais now. We shall continue standing until these special dignitaries have seated themselves. We, the people of Tamenglong, welcome the chief guest and all the dignitaries, all the VIPs who have come from Imphal. Our chief minister was here a few months ago for the inauguration of the Ranigadilu market. We welcome him again here today on this 15th state level Orange Festival. We also welcome all those people who have come here to Tamenglong for the first time, not only those people from Manipur, but also from other states, from all over the country, to witness and to be a part of this program. Let us all be seated. We're going to do the call. Dahai Reliang Mai Suna Riulau Mituang Kanika Hau Mituang Lam Mituang Tai perform Salop Dukang Teldaizang dance troupe Kanu Tai stage Kawanga perform Salop Dukang Zangwai Pitung Tai. Mitadaizang dance troupe Rena Kanu Tuang Riulau Mituang welcome Sumituang presentation Haloi Kaneti Hai. Ani tuang Tamenglong District tuang Sakuang Lun Phung Mai Shri Ravinder Singh Deputy Commissioner na Riulame Latsa de Kumasala Puni. Tadaizang dance troupe will be presenting a cultural dance now. This is going to be the welcome dance. After the dance, our Deputy Commissioner of Tamenglong District Shri Ravinder Singh would be giving the welcome address.
Hello. That was a wonderful performance from Taudai Zang Dance Troupe. Thank you so very much. Thon ku the aram Taudai Zang Dance Troupe na neo tuang punpiu phaiban haugai mai luncha gai mai chabuan kulun gai mai goi rena lam chin lam lokan me ru khau rogong resiam gai ni tilo misupudiwo. Up next we have welcome speech from the Deputy Commissioner Tamenglong, Shri Ravinder Singh. Sir, may we have you on the stage, please? We have welcome speech, which will be taken up by our respected Deputy Commissioner Tamenglong, Shri Ravinder Singh. Sir, may we have you on the stage, please?
Honorable Chief Minister Manipur, Shri N. Biren Singh. Honorable Minister Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Forest and Environment, Shri T. H. Shyamkumar Singh. Honorable Minister Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Shri Karam Sham. Honorable MLA Tamenglong AC, Shri Samuel Jendai. Honorable MLA Tamai AC, Shri Awangba Nyumai. Honorable Tamenglong ADC Chairman, Shri Namsindre Panme. Respected Chief Secretary, Dr. J. Suresh Babu, Respected Secretary Tourism, Srimati Nidhi Kesarwani, media persons, all the government departments, my dear citizens of Tamenglong, especially the orange farmers who have come from all over the district. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to the inauguration program of the 15th State Level Orange Festival 2018. I congratulate everyone present here today who are witnessing this memorable event where we have come together to celebrate our dear Tamenglong orange, and the farmers who are working tirelessly to bring the Tamenglong oranges on the national scene through their hard work and dedication. With the continued and generous support of the state government, we have managed to keep alive this tradition where we provide a platform for all the orange growers in the district to showcase and sell their products. Through the Best Orange competition, we hope to instill a feeling of competition and pride in the hearts of the farmers and to incentivize the best cultivators. Through our seminars, we hope to give more awareness to the farmers on best practices by bringing a panel of researchers so that they can grow oranges in a sustainable manner using their traditional knowledge. Through the adventure sports, we hope to showcase the immense tourism potential of our district. Through the camping and trekking activities, we hope to give the message of environmental conservation to our coming generations. And last but not the least, Through the cultural performances, we hope to come together and enjoy this festive season. The fact that the government has showed its overwhelming support for the orange growers of Tamenglong can be seen not just by the assistance given to this festival, but also by its planned initiatives which are aimed at increasing the level of processing done locally for various horticulture products, including Tamenglong oranges. This, coupled with the better condition of roads and improvements that we have seen recently, is certain to help us create a thriving economy for the oranges in Tamenglong. I would like to take this opportunity to thank once again all the dignitaries who have taken out time out of their busy schedule to show their support for the Tamenglong oranges. Let us all pledge to work together to achieve the objectives of the Orange Festival. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, Shri Ravinder Singh, Deputy Commissioner, Tamenglong, for the warm words of welcome. We shall now have the presentation of gifts to the dignitaries by the 15th State Level Orange Festival Committee. I shall be reading out the names of the dignitaries on the dais, and the gifts shall be presented by the volunteers appointed by the committee. The first gift shall be presented to the chief guest of today's function, 15th State Level Orange Festival, Shri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister. For this, I shall request the Deputy Commissioner of the Tamenglong District to present the gift to the chief guest, our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Biren Singh. This is our respected DC. Shri Ravinder Singh presented the gifts to our chief guest of today's function, Shri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur. Next, Shri Shyam Kumar, Honorable Minister, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Mahud, Forest, Environment, Manipur, and President of today's function. Next, Shri Karam Shyam, Honorable Minister, Revenue, Public Distribution and Consumer Affairs. Next, Honorable MLA, Shri Samuel Jandai, Honorable MLA, 53 Assembly Constituency, Tamenglong, the guest of honor. Karam Shyam. This is Shri Karam Shyam, Honorable Minister, Revenue, Public Distribution and Consumer Affairs. Next, Shri Samuel Jiandai, Honorable MLA, 53 Assembly Constituency, Tamenglong, the guest of honor of today's function. We shall be presenting the gift to the Mrs. of Shri Samuel Jiandai as well, Mrs. Madam Lama Kamlu. Next, Shri Hon'ble Nyumai, Honorable MLA, 52 Assembly Constituency, Tamai, guest of honor of today's function. The gift is being presented to Shri Hon'ble Nyumai, Honorable MLA, 52 Assembly Constituency, Tamai, guest of honor. Next, the gift shall be presented to Shri Namshin Rai, Honorable Chairman, ADC, Tamenglong. Next, Shri Suresh Babu, Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur. Mugay na ban hilo ko gift present sa laog kanita. Next, Srimati Nidhi Kesharwani, Secretary, Tourism and PHED. With that, we come to the end of the presentation of gifts to the dignitaries. We shall now have the act of opening the festival by the chief guest. Sorry about that, we still have some gifts to be presented to the rest of the dignitaries as well. The rest of the dignitaries on the stage, on the dais, are requested to stand up and receive the gifts, please.
It happens all the time.
Yeah, it happens. Dignitaries on the dais have received our humble gifts. Mathang kodarina my love my competition my naipani traditional way of making fire. Once the fire is lit, we would like to request Honorable Chief Minister, today's chief guest, to light the lamp, and that will be the act of opening the festival by the chief guest. My love, my. These two gentlemen will make fire out of cane and some bamboo stuff. We are witnessing traditional way of making fire. Yes, we can see the smoke coming out. Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri Biren Singh, will be lighting the lamp, and this is the act of opening of the festival. my lamb got the lights low began call me go in my lung ning thao na ban dap gì là đập lô từ chân hoài bật nghe thân cụ thể mai lập bên này thì cần sự sự lo mới thân cụ thể
Thank you for the celebrations opening by our honorable chief guest. Thank you all the dignitaries for taking the exercise. Thank you so much. And now we will have a presidential speech from our Honorable Shri T.H. Shyamkumar, Honorable Minister Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Mahut, Forest Environment, Manipur. May I invite Sir to please have the time for the presidential speech.
Mangarak subo State 11 Orange Festival Hagdupagi Sigumba Yaiparaba Numit Asigi Atoiba Atiti Wibiriba Koi Kudimunai Kai Kumazariba Honorable Minister Manipur Mingune Panjabada Shri Biren Singh Kai Kunabusari Loinana Sigumba Function Lasiki, Guest of Honor, Webiriba, Manipur Sakargi, Kevin PD Amadi Rebinugi, Honorable Minister Webiriba, Shri Karam Siam, Kai Kurmusari, Loinana, Lamdam Masigi, Amadi, Festival Tauriba Kendra Sigi, Honorable Emelu Webiriba, Shri Simon Jindai, Kai Kunbusari, Lunana, Tamai SC, District Asigi, Honorable MLA, Shri Hon'ble New Mais, Kai Kunbusari, Lunana Manipur Sakargi, Chief Secretary, Tourism Gi, Secretary, Amadi, Police Kim Nongthombam Officer Singh, Horticulture Department Directors, Atopa, Manipur Sakargi, Tongan Ba, Department Gi, Officer Punamak, Bangladesh Biriba, Tongan Ba, Village Chief Singh, Amadi Youth Singh, Women, Amadi Dignitary Punamak, Kai Kunbusari. Akoi Punamana Kangi Madudi, Karige Koina Festival, Tauribano, Hibasi, Lamdam Masigi, Parmar Singh, Amadi Lamdam Masigi, Lehawa Sanaba, Sigumba, Orange Festival, promote Tonaba, Amadi Lomi Singi. Hena Sapanaba, Lamdamasi, Sebilum Paganaba, Makanda Pantoksaba, Festival Lasini. Festival Lasina Soidana, Amadi Atopa, Stasingna, Amdi country gi, Tongan country dagi, Laakada, Manipur Topa, Atay Lamda Pangdaba, Pangagasu, Mahau Tis, Kenabasum, Tamenglong, Orange, Asiki Mahawasi, Taste of the City, Malengi Lamquibaka, Amadi Manipur Tongan, Bracket Tongan State. Ngasi orange asi lainaba adagi amaruina koi orange tagi koi phangba taste koi wild na koi si sungna gi makta Manipur state government gi horticulture department da ai bise su lai koi orange kiwi hai makhan gi wine ji sungna ba atopa india gi tungamba company dagi moi proposal lai adu ji makedi madu gum mayam sing adu honorable chief minister na koi magi Apamba, Magi Aningba, Magi Wisdom, Habati, Prajagi, Itikang, and Topika Bangatanina, Sim the Honorable Minister Natum, when Yam Sang Hydra, Honorable Sim, Mang York and the Quena, Wamakata and Langzabagi, quick and Lejade, and Hydra Festival, the Masagi, Santi, Amadi, Zadbita Kenaba Tamdaba, amadi kalu kena batam daba ame suning noning bagi hena wakalon tu produk tu na department politics department na su pangwe amati yang pang ka su lai jik su pang na basu koi hondari hai bo mi tham jarga puna po thakasari
Arba.
Thank you, President. Shri T.H. Yamkumar, Honorable Minister, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, for the presidential speech. And now we will have sharing of experiences by two orange growers. First will be by Mr. Tunding Gonmai, Tamenglong block from Chulon. Kamairana orange growers pang biat heng roi kaniu tong experience ai aniu khao ka sak rally alo pani ka ma ka khang ka gan ti lau the mi tai loi kan he tu thai Mr. David Gang mai Sibilong ta sia block ka mai rona ka gan ta ko ma gong la da pudi khang ti lau mi tong e tong ko te.
First of all, I on behalf of orange growers from Tamenglong block would like to thanks our chief guest, Shri and Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, and his colleagues. Today's function, President Shri T.H. Yamkumar, Honorable Minister, and also Karam Siam, Honorable Minister. And also I would like to thank guest of honor, Shri Samuel Zendai, Honorable MLA, 53 AC Tamenglong, and also guest of honor Shri Awangbo Niumai, Honorable MLA 52 AC Tamai. And secondly, I would like to thank all the honorable ADC members present here, and also I would like to thank all the DLOs, all the dignitaries, and also the Deputy Commissioner of Tamenglong, and all the public who gather here. And third, I would like to say a big thanks to all the growers here, present here. Without your presence, without your help, without your cooperation, such functions will not be fruitful, meaningless. But your presence has made this function a great success. So I would like to say thank you to all the growers. And as the festival, Orange Festival team has speaks, Orange for peace. So we would like to spread the message of love, peace, and harmony to all the, among all the people of Manipur. So we would like to invite all the growers from other districts, from Chersampur, from Chanapati, from Ukhrul, Chandel, Kangpopi, all those growers, we would like to invite you to come and have all those competitions in the next Orange Festival. So, okay. So I won't take much time. So I na thamning base, akoy na government side tarap da thamning base, akoy gi growers se wabo kakta wevni na, akoy gi government side ta kumsi se 15 years when adum tauriye, adu webagi housing pau se akoy gi government side gi growers sing da akoy na appeal towning ba request towning ba se business rom da already akoy gi government side bank side da gumba da mudra loan gumba khara khara dum piye hai service gumba di service loan hai na dum piye hai adu akoy gi growers sing da orange growers sing da su government tarap da gi khara help towning ba gi mong da leiredi akoy gi growers waba makai do uplift towning ai gi adum loan sidera kri sidera help of the pharani haina akhoi gi orange side grower side dum thamninge government side na akhoi gi grower side dum phajana yangbiyo haina akhoi gi experience wena dum thamramge haina adu sikhakta dum thamnaga akhoi gi speech se ai gi speech se dum housing da dum loi rakhirni. Okay, thank you.
Thon kuthe mathang khao naibamte Mr. David Gangmai Sibilong Tausem Block Narigagan Gonglala Putho.
Ihan Hanmada Ekoigi Chief Guest Honorable Chief Minister Aduga Ekoigi Honorable Minister Honorable MLA Honorable ADC Miyambo Adum Tagajare Habidi Ekoi Orang Festival da Mapung Pahanba Habisi Ekoi Aina Hagadabise Taosim entire subdivision ge growers na Kamaina Libra Habado Ekoi gi Asi function da Ekoi na Yauriba Ekoi Chief Minister Ekoi Minister Ekoi na Wabase Kamaina Wabra Harga Orang se dying dowe Habide dry Tauba Asigumba Duda Kari Mateng se Ekoi government ge Tauraga Piraga Adu Panaba Kamaina promote sira habisu thamninge khoi grower side ge aduga number 2 da aikhoi gi Tamenglong district gi Orang se lam dam atopa state da natraga country kadai da no dum pinaba hausi aikhoi Manipur da lamdam amadagi Orang si yole Aikoi Mandarin, Tamenglong, Manipur ki product se, Orang se, Impal da, Yun natraga, unseason da, Pang da basi kari gino hai basi su. Aikoi grower ki, kadai da quality se, quantity se, Yamra have to specify tauraga, cold storage de thamra badi. Aikoi so unseason da, Puthok ning ba, Aikoi grower ki, Bama se asisu thamninge. Number 3 da market linkage asisu aikoi production se kamlasi yam puthoi kadai no tha kadaba asigumsu market linkage se higher authority concern authority na mijeng yeng rabadi aikoi growers sing su aikoi gi pungning da waba adu grievances do solve tawgni habi point se thamaga asi next year da mapung pha ningai aikhoi ge Orang se foreign country da export to ningai karigumba aikhoi sarkar na yengsil labadi aikhoi grower sing se pungning su aduga grower sing su asi promote to naba hona gani habuge aikhoi ge laina tinna tauba khotpa adu seminars laigani workshops laigani adu du tagani khoi gi grievances sharing tawgani adubu asi thamnaga ai asidagi tolove. Thank you.
Thank you, David Gangmai, for sharing your experiences. Up next, we have speech from guest of honor. And we would like to call upon our Honorable MLA 53 AC Tamenglong, Shri Samuel Jendai. Sir, may we have you on the stage, please?
Ray Liang Mikau Manipur tung Chief Ministers na Bamai Kajan Sarau mga sabi ko Biren Singh akane katuang cabinet colleagues Syam Kumar Karam Syam akane na Manipur tung Sakwang Sumai Chief Secretary, bye me dignitaries, press akhani media way ti hai. State level tong runa pungu tong celebration koi salam suwe. Orange Festival celebrate me hai. Air na machun mitu komla hai tugai zangai me ting thai akhat pijang khurna or ambagi thai Tamenglong khau hai thau ti pijang khurna Orange Festival hai celebrate chukhang state government na riat lo pitor mage Tamenglong khau kumla thawe Orange Festival rai liang me tingkum tai Irona English rena Orange sai ti thang rena kahau to so to pekan khoi Africa ko kahau we Africa ko na kahau na ko maguang gong pekan khoi in ta hai Meghalaya khoni kumla hai linglo me tang turna jang na ta we tikum bo tikang Tamenglong khoi introduce ni su khau we ai ma chun ne me kitho nangane we na asan mo pigan ko tai Amar Falcon tong festival anyway celebrate we Africa le Tamenglong le mi ka koi mari nai to me to me he me long ning ko ning lo we mi te bui jang ku cho to pikan khoi climatic condition hai kazat ka thum nai Mediterranean tropical subtropical mi khoi nai ba me long wei na khoi ani wei Tamenglong ko thau ba mi tong komla hai Manipur aju khuna komla nai bang khwan se ne katuang flavor katuang mahau hai Tamenglong tong komla rena gai liang mi ti me hai sa ti pakan khoi taboi nong pa se soi zat ma khe ti me hai melong ning ko ni nge ni kom bejang khuna Iron ta hai Tamenglong district ko lungma mai orange grower goi khwai nane goi lungning ti lung thau lo ni e mi ki tho nang ane goi komla na ta zau na ne goi orange komla tong festival chuanam ge mi tong orange festival khwai ani goi na ching jang ching tam ani goi pu pauri sai ching tam amatani mi tong orange Tamenglong district ko hai festival state level tong festival supikan ko hai maki minon kau ta sian mai or thau pani tau Manipur ko bam gai minung hai bam gai minon hai Tamenglong ko gwang ba me hikom bijang khona ani goi the bond of love for each other akhat tam jian mai riang hai mai goi na ko ti gwang lo me hai ta bui ri chou tu i thai orange festival we ti me mai goi na kon dau lo ni kanai merina Honorable Chief Minister akhani concern Department of Minister gombame ntau hai orange grower na difficulty face to metai ralo kanthe nanigoi komla lingba megoi longning han mangatike raino pu pau non lung lingka metong system kotai ani goirna si megoi tikalo lina tike modern tong system hai ani goi lingdalana kathai hai gai no gom pe kan khoi tau sa committee kuma cold storage lo no we mitra mang katong disease aju nai miti scientist department gorina consult solena now ba my epidemics time goi tai ani goi solution solve ko hai nani goi na society akhani ka gena pungai to ninge kum jango farmers growers kang tong society nai me su kan ni khangni airona jang hoi pitong e ngoi maga tu torum ge Tamenglong district koi orange grower societies aju nai ba me
Jack of all trade but master of none. Society gailang pikang kuai. Kai pau kai pai akan nasi nain tu mage. Kum bijang kuna orange grower goi ni unity nai mele kajau na single society bang kuai. Allied akan nai dalena. Mitong society form so pikang kuai government of Manipur ni soe mga tan dai mi kalup ni te mehe. Ning mi kajau bijang kuna mi goi no jang hoi pitong Ikon kono magda, Tamenglong is the propounder of festival. Tamenglong rena, kom ngai kahau lo mitong district gay. Mikito, Orange Festival, kahau ray liang lawe. Ntao he Manipur ko festival ajuk tabam so. Mihai, Tamenglong is the propounders of festival to pekanku. It won't be wrong to say that. Lan janito mage. Maramaduna. Orange Festival. 15 Orange Festival celebrate Tobagaloina. Aina. Honorable Chief Minister. Odiri Matagta. Haki now. Shyam Kumar. Odo Aigi Marup. Karam Shyam. Lakdi basida aina. Hajaning basidi. Tamenglong District. Asidagi, aikoigi Manipuri gi khwaidagi phawraba lari iba Dr. Kamal haibase Shillong gi dusya ikibani. Aina thidok hendok na hai haibadigi natte adubu IT road Imphal to Tamenglong lambi kaklingai da Dr. Kamal na Shillong gi dusya ikaba. Aikoigi back side ta leire kun dailong asidagi ikibani masigi sida Shillong gi dusya ikibasida aina khanjai madudi aikoigi komla gi machu aduga komla gi machu gi wakan du khallaga Shillong gi dusya se reflex to naraga Shillong gi dusya ibani habis aina loje maramada singtam amata oibagi saktam ngangna na ba aikoigi Bharatiya Janata Party na let to ba sarkar asina hoji hairiba Manipur da khwaidagi phawraba Dr. Kamal gi Tabak ado kongundu liraga ekoi si chingtam amato oibagi tabak si taurabadi tedok hendok na phajagani haibago he mani si thamlaga bidai lawjari. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you indeed for your wonderful speech. Up next, we have a special song from Miss Fiona Gonmai, which will be followed by a speech from guest of honor, Shri Hon'ble Newmai, Honorable MLA 52 AC Tamai.
Miss Fiona Gonmai, Kamai Hai, Anu mi goi na rana thai na ba mi puye, kon gai mi puye, kani kani utong band, The Redeem, to mini volume kanai katum padlaw lena, anu mi goi na kani utong kwan dangking sama ba ma ye, popular artist akade, from Tamenglong, kom lena, kakao roi nu gai mi kwan ta, anu mi goi nan ta su sam lau pani, mai kathui na gun na bang kwan ne tu na lume, presenting you all Miss Fiona Gangmai, one of the vocals from The Redeem, on stage. Goi Mai. Fiona Goi Mai.
Hello. Anu, man say sang doi me bam kan dio, lao tot me bam kan dio, lung si me bam kan dio, lung goi me bam kan dio. Khale khata zian mai noyet witai si me tuang challenges azu wong abam sini hai ko wen te ngam pane tin so tung e. Though we are rich, we are poor, though we are able and not able, if we have love for each other, if we continue to treat each other as brothers and sisters, we can win with the love that God has given us. The song is called Love Wins.
A stray bullet and a mama cries. Her baby won't be coming home tonight. Sirens screaming down the avenue. Just another story on the evening news. Whoa, whoa. Politics and prejudice. How the hell it ever come to this? When everybody's gotta pick a side. It don't matter you were wrong or right, no. And so it goes. But I hold on to hope and I won't let go, 'cause I believe you and me are sisters and brothers, and I believe we're made to be here for each other. We'll never fall if we walk hand in hand, but a world that seems broken together again. Yeah, I believe in the end love wins. Sometimes it takes a lot of faith to keep believing there will come a day when the tears and the sadness, the pain and the hurt, the struggle, this madness will all fade away. Yeah, I believe you and me are sisters and brothers, and I believe we're made to be here for each other, and we'll never fall if we walk hand in hand, but a world that seems broken together again. Yeah, I believe in the end love wins. Love is power, love is a smile, love reaches out, love is a remedy, love is the answer, love's an open door, love is the only thing worth fighting for. I believe you and me are sisters and brothers, and I believe we're made to be here for each other, and we'll never fall if we walk hand in hand, but a world that seems broken together again. Yeah, I believe in the end love wins. Oh, love wins. Love wins, love gains, love seals, love wins, love wins, love gains, love seals, love wins. Bueno, por favor, se la iglesia. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Fiona Goimai. Thank you for mesmerizing each one of us with a beautiful, amazing voice. Thank you once again. And now we will have a speech from guest of honor, Honorable Sir Shri Hon'ble, Honorable MLA 52 AC Tamenglong, Tamai, which will be followed by a speech from Minister KEF and PD Revenue, Shri Karamshiam.
Honorable Chief Minister, Manipur, Mingona Panjabada, Shri Biren Singh, Honorable Minister, Horticulture, Shri Sam Kumar, Honorable Minister, Cap and PD, Shri Karam Sam, Yamba, Honorable Emily Samuel Zandai, Honorable Chairman, District Council, Tamenglong, respected Chief Secretary, respected Secretary Tourism, high-ranking police officers, Deputy Commissioner Tamenglong, state level and district level officers, tourists from within the state and outside the state, orange growers, media gi chinnaw Singh, ladies and gentlemen. Tamenglong se khwaidagi sotharaba district, the most backward district, haina masak khangba district ama oina. State manung khakta nataba, even all India gi level da su khwaidagi sotharaba district manungda Tamenglong gi ming sadum yaura lai. Chahi khuding Tamenglong the most backward district, Tamenglong the most backward district. Akhoi Tamenglong da leiriba khoi gi praja miyam na su sum akhoi gi ming oina sum lauzare. Every section of the people akhoi gi awa basi phongdok la sumai lakpane. Ngasi akhoi gi Honorable Chief Minister na ngasi gi Chief Guest oina ngasi sige Tramangarak suba Orange Festival sige khoi marakta leibigi damak mahakpu thagatpa adubu masak ure haraga thagatpagi khak sunataba aina khangjaba phawbadei Tamenglong district se Sotaraba district ni haina mayamna haiduna lakle haraga Kamaina uplift tausera haibasidi mamang da leiramba leaders mayamna di tabak oina onthok dangai pangthok dangai honaram drabra haibasi ai haining bane adubo hosik akhoi Honorable Chief Minister Hakumgi May Tang Marida, just a month after the formation of this present government. On May 4th, Mahakna Tamenglong Deputy Commissioner, Adugo State to Ladyba, Officer Punamak, Cabinet Ministers, Yambas Samuel Saab, Akoi Tamenglong district ki MLA Punamak Bukore Harga. Tamenglong ki problems asi. Kadai Poba, Sotaduna Lebra, problem si Krino Habisi. Tamenglong Deputy Commissioner in charge Adugi Matamda, Kiran Chapna, President Toby Bumtamda. Even me, as a representative from Tamenglong, Tamenglong Mak district Maktagi Way Rabasu, actual indexi yang bakanda. Adumuk Ketna Bra Habisi, Hakum Honorable CM na Tamenglong Gim Matangda, Kayamuk Sotarabano Kiamuk problem si Ngasingang Ibaduga Kiamuk Chumbuno Habisi, Tidok Nadaba. Adugumba meeting adudige issue ayamba khangi ngasi akhoi Orange Festival si tara mangarak suna ngasi pangthok tunale ngasi gi Deputy Commissioner mamangda leiramba Deputy Commissioner sumayamna Congress Orange Festival si Henna Mupung Pana Mayam Namasak Kangba Festival Ama Oiba Kaktanatana Akwai production attractions not only within the state, even from outside the state. Leihan Nangai Hana Matamsu Sangdo and Harga sumaina toring sida akoi orange growers sing the su akoi Tamenglong gi problems growers mayam gi problems phongdok na le adubu ngasi aina mayam da share toning ba makhakti akoi ngasai gi mang the orange grower mana so haibire orange for peace haina peace later badi akoi gi lamdam basi chokhat pangamoy plan kyamuk torobasu mapung phana thabak pangthok pangamoy ngasi peace ngasi gi government lakpa matungda lakpa gi damak honorable CM nam initiative laure haraga meeting toba matungda problems miyam diagnose toraga identify toraga akoi district asipo special oina uplift tona na bahana program asu happy duna hill area development program haina su ngasi Tamenglong district pangthok dangai akoi honorable CM na initiate toduna le adubu ngasi lebak thibadi Manipur da peace leibdu kalakpa Manipur se mathang sum within a span of 18-19 months da yamna impressive oiba market whatever Tamenglong da sab loire sangabu su loire in the past whenever any program is taken up program that the 2 years manung the complete on time frame hapaga it takes more than 5-6 years so within the trainer da how to inaugurate tobang amdaba program mayam akoi thengnai but today sumaina within a span of 1 year the program siguma chobo mayam pangthok pangam lakpasida kalaktuna everywhere media gi khunthang da nadraga public speech da adugi party adagi party pulaga Manipur adu tawdare ada tawdare haina ngangduna leiba miyam se it's unfortunate ngasi khoina darkar leibsi krino hairabadi thabak oida pangthok le harga akhoi gi kanabdu mathang fulfill tawbudu natro not shouting in the public not preaching but we need act we need the actual work that been implemented adu natro khoi se we have experience with other governments for many years and now they are shouting at the top of their voice again pointing at us and public na kri khali what do we say ngasi khoi lakpu khuding lecture sum tar gata hoi na legdro in the name of unity they are vomiting hate amana amabu lang tobudu pambagi mayam budung siba saraga ngangi bo miyam ase is very very unfortunate I hiding bani ai matungda akoi honorable CM honorable minister so ngang do beleri bani nai matam yam sangna di loning de dubu yamna tangai fadaba haibatare election naksile haibagira miyam khongdu na leibasi public are the best judge ngasi akoi phajana thabak si kanana towi kanana preaching tawai si khangsi habse pangdok topni haizaning bani ngasi orange growers miyam ge awaba yeng binangai su akoi sarkar leire ai yam sangna lauzroi dubu akoi mathang sumaina phadgalakni habse yasani Christmas su naksile Christmas gi ya fabasi miyamda tungbo oishno haina thameraga sidu tensil ge thank you
Thank you, sir. Thank you indeed. And I would like to invite our Honorable Minister, Revenue, CAF and PD, Shri Karamshiam, to please be on the stage to address the people.
Hon'ble tinbiriba punung wakpu di kong dona krumjari ngasi se akui Honorable MLA Tamenglong ki di samul jendai sina di magi marol de somungang ba aduga maiteron de somungang ba adai Dr. Kamal gi wari ga lirak pasida yang pungning nungsi bahai tari ini. Ada mana kanna ngasi sai tagi maram da kanna tawai yau na ngangis dia tai no waram dre moi medam jes de yau le rame ba dunani. Di start level Orange Festival tara mang ngar sumba function sige ekoi khuding monai kai khumna jari ba mingoi na panjara bada Shri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur. Ikai khumna ba utcha bagaloi na. Honorable Chief Minister na Tamenglong gi praja nungsi de haibadu di adum thabok na khangbira bani. Tamenglong district se matamama da khwai dagi saukhat te haidana ngaki mamang da su awangbo na haibiramba Honorable MLA na. Adubu hojikti Honorable CM ki the initiative tagi adugi matakta Honorable CM na pressure tawi badagi ngasai panbigi ba Bharat ki district Manipur ni thoi all India ki oina Hill Area Development Fund 90 crores ki edi hojik almost low idana leraga Tamenglong ki district se kwai dagi sotaram masi Manipur ki district singi manung da kwai dagi saukhat pa district ama oiraga bani aba sumba Tamenglong ki praja nungsi ba Chief Minister lakpa kanda Tamenglong ki praja singna hau tholak dana ofam thokpa natro aduna encouragement haibase koi darkar lai loina na ngasi ke thauramasi ke adi president oibiriba TI Shyam Kumar Singh, Honorable Minister, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Maut, Forest and Environment, aduga Shri Samuel Jendai, Honorable MLA, aduga Shri Awangmong Nimai, Honorable MLA, Shri Namsin Rai Pamai, Honorable Chairman, Tamenglong Autonomous District Council, Chief Secretary, aduga akoi horticulture ki tourism ki secretary nidi aduga lengchin biri ba dai sapham biri ba coding mak aduga official sing maroina Tamenglong gi nungsi jaraba di kai khumna jari ba yama sing marumapang maroina isel khwaibu ikai khumna ba uchari akoi Pitribi de ina kun mazi karibu ina khule na lawbage land lam laibase si ina kun mane land resource land dagi akoi na anything akoi na towning ba thabak tawbanga me akoi gi economy phangan bangami akoi gi sinjak puthok bangami akoi gi yumlai kere hiram khuding makta land gi resource dagi akoi na madudagi maximum benefit to adi madugi product to lobang amagadi akoi adum saukhat state ama or natraga country ama district ama adum irai line oibe yabane akoi singi jaga sing the land resource fazana lay se akoi kodim loina khangi ani subada Tamenglong da ngasi Orange Festival tawribasi Tamenglong da komla si fazana thaba yai madugi product fazana akoi na phangbang ami haibani lamsu leiraba komla su phajana hauraba ado akhoi gi naharol sing sida semelon phagalan ba ngamdaba taragade madu kana gi ason banoba masi responsibility akhoi na lawgadabane land properly sinaba komla phajana thaba madu gi product puthokpa uji aina ngasai samul saib ta hangba kanda sida thamiba komla sibu adum market ta khodak ta leiba karai dagi sidi mapu loi pan gram ne man hai komla si palak tringai dagi hauna engage orga komla du launa na ba mi leire komla gi market leitaba leitre hai bane ado itardi market su leire ba adu gi mathak da honorable chief minister na lead tawiri ba sarkar sina manipur gi naharol thabak tawning ba masagi sentok lambi leinana ba honazari ba mi khuding mak tati paisa je pirage na ngai raga leirabane marambu saragadi adun ngai dagi karam ba bank leige khotke na akoi haipet samul saib ta hangamin aduna akoi leijari ba akoi gi resource mayam se phajana adi season raga akoi sel thungi phibam phagalanji mipan tang daba si karibuno sel thungi phibam pargadi mipan tang drini kanata su depend tawdrini ai yum palaga su natraga ai mu manu ran tawraga su ai laikai oiraga su sel thungi phibam paraga mingon na mipan tang dragadi adum masana automatically sokot pai badudi masana laksagadaba pot ne ojik Tamenglong lai soi bana harun mayam ma leirini karigi sarkar gi thabak ngai gadoi nobo leiriba lam mayam du chairman de khangde ningthok de khangde lease da tawni khangde sahi gi kharama kai moida paisa piraga ne khangde narol mayam ma khomjal laga manipur sarkar gi employee khagi thabak ngai ba natana pajana planning tawraga thabak tawba kanda karigi akoi chokot pa state oiroi doino hojikti matam amagi lai su hairaba naharol singna ahal lamanda taisen bagi natragana any kanau mama da thangjal laga leibagi hainabi do akoi tok se akoi hotna ba kanba adagi dai ta khangba adagi wakalon tungi wakalon khanba ngamba naharol singna akoi isa gi sel tungi phibam se phagat na hona se madugi damda sarkar na matam chupa thong launa hangduna leiri uji aina ngasai hangje samul saib da toiba komla mayam sigi komla gi mahi sungnana ba fact adi industry macha factory gumba leibra corporate unit macha makak lei hai gum di tawi haujikti manipur sarkar ki natana any sendang akoi na lokthaba yabagi tanja leirabane pirage ngaktani ngairi se tawbodo akoi gi tawriba working style moina akoi da thammi ba thajaba aduma mayam du akoi utpa madi darkar lay aduna akoi adi yamna adi honaba kanba galoina na sumba thoram sida lai su haiba na harol mayam amana tholak tana harau na tholaga akoi honorable cm se chief minister di tawgi ngami any marambu sare na khallaba khodak da thabak on ba ngaktani aina sum ujaba kanda adi yamna magi brain je sharp oiba tawdori thabak sina miyam da kyam kana ba pi doriba masigi oiba wakalon adi tungi permit uba yamna sensitive oiba leader amane aduna laipaki ningthauna si minister na lakpa kanda mayam tholaktana adi wakal gi share aduga sumba function da saruk yaba se matung da di yamna thoga saruk ya si aduga akoi chawkhat pa state uhensi mayam da aina ngasai thamjagi ba haujiki thadra iba 90 saurangna crore 90 muksina adi Tamenglong gi chawkhat thorang torpa kanda di Tamenglong Manipur gi Singh gi district Singh gi manungda khwai de develop tawraba advance orba adi district ama sungsoi dina oiragane haibadu di mayam puna moksu khangbirangwani aduga ai samaki oina di honorable chief minister na han ba aina Tamenglong na lakhiba kanda samul saib ka lakpa kanda aigi gari si phamba ngamdadana kok si amadamu yaichhalli amadamu yaichhaldana si khongchang lambi si lakpa ngamdabadagi mana honorable MLA na ingonda minister sahib aigi gari tu tuang si lao nang eti gari tu hai bani na satpa ngamaroi na ai bolero tonga ga lakune matam da scorpion ga kaino tu tawrakana adu hujikti lambi sitnan gre adagi satpa nuai re adagi samul sahib sarkar da yamna pressure tawi yam seng ai kaino ma haijaramge ai ngasi bobda sahi ma thamapan aina minister werpa kanda ai kendra gi wafama ba honorable chief minister da ngasi bo hai ba laite aina nungsi jarubana aduga hena saukot pawali be jaga se hena saukolan badagi samul sahib na saki webini ai matam chupada ai gi kendra gi wadi haidraga ai matam chupada Tamenglong praja gi Tamenglong district ki maramda ai matam chupada honorable CM da request taujagi ba CM na chu khangbiri aduna sumbagi khudong chabal lahobagi tanja to longmina se aduga tai ayambadi honorable chief minister na laipa ki oina district si oina tambaya ba thambira kadaba laibanina wafum khar se haijaraga khwaibu amona thagatchari aduga amohna khoramjari. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Minister, Public Distribution and Consumer Affairs, Revenue. Sir, I acknowledge the importance you have taking this little effort since morning to put on this hat with so much love for Tamenglong. Thank you so much.
Mathang kanaibam the cultural dance from Kakulong dance troupe. Kakulong dance troupe nanurena chamdala we sathai stage ganglala putha.
Khoi gu na lam tena sai mi lam hai ani ranan zian mai ka khulong dance troupe rana perform salaw ni na ba me goi na zau chuin zau lo kho ning kunga pon piu hau gai mai piu chui na piu lana lam lu hai hau gai me ni khang lam lo khang tu na ba me mai mathiu na ra zau chui na zau lo pu diu khang jang hoi mi tong e. And synopsis of this dance khoi gu na lam. Far from the sophisticated dances of the temples, this folk dance takes us to the exotic mountains of Kabui villages of Manipur. Kabui is a tribe living on the western mountains of Manipur. Their dances are noted for vigorous footsteps, foot tricks, sharp, clean and graceful movements of the body. Bees flies to the hills to collect nectar from flowers, producing sweet honey. They moved in cluster to collect and back to hive. This dance, young boys and girls invite the bees to come out to the hills with their sweethearts. They sing, "Oh bees, come out to the hill with your sweethearts and dance round and round." Presenting you all Kakulong dance troupe on stage.
luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni pai guna lama pui ni pai guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni pai guna lama pui ni pai guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni pai guna lama pui ni pai guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni pai guna lama pui ni pai guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni guna lama pui ni pai guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni guna lama pui ni pai guna lama pui ni guna lama luang patau pai guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama luang patau pai guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama luang patau guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama luang patau guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama luang patau guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama luang patau guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama luang patau guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama luang patau guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama luang patau guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama luang patau guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama luang patau guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama pui ni guna lama luang patau guna lama luang patau kiam pui tai an dong lana kiam pui tai an dong lana lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni lama pui ni
Wow, how guy thế làm suy na làm lão mày xuân truy na xuân lão mày mấy cái thủy na lồng nình tì thao lão na bấm mình khang ta các khu luang dance troupe na nhiều quay na rồi na him fall thằng rồi ta mang lão mình ta hít đi cầm zian na quang lão mình khang ta đại na thằng quay làm lu cái quay hay how guy thế kinh guy thế and I hope everyone enjoys the nimble steps, gentle moves, vigorous foot tricks with their glorious colorful apparels. And next is we have speech from our chief guest. Ngasigi 15th State Level Orange Festival ge athoi ba mithung len oibi riba thaudok hendok na ikai khumna jaraba lamdam asigi Honorable Chief Minister Ming oina panjarabada Shri and Biren Singh bu Tamenglong gi miyam na taramna okchari, and I invite our honorable chief guest to please address the crowd in the podium.
Hey, mayam punamak. Hey, korumjari. Amanungai ba. Sahi kudingi pangtho galak ba asigam ba koi Tamenglong district ki Orange Festival sida tinbidi ba mayam Tamenglong ki praja punamak ayahan ba kai kumna butchari adu loina nai galang minajari ba Honorable Minister Horticulture Shri Shyam Kumar, the Honorable Minister Shri Karam Shyam, Cabinet PD, the Revenue, the Maruina, Tamenglong, SCG, the representatives, Agiyamba, Shri Samuel Jandai, Honorable MLA, aduga loina na mahaki loina bi teima aduga aigi now tamaigi Honorable MLA Hon'ble niomai aduga aiga lakminajari ba Chief Secretary Shri Suresh Babu Tourism gi Secretary Nidhi aduga district sigi deputy commissioner SP aduga Imphal dagi IG amadi magi team kailun amadi magi team aduga Assam Rifles ki CEO aduga Autonomous District Council Tamenglong ki chairman member Singh NGO ki representative Singhs village headman Singh aduga Kaukulong dagi Imphal dagi lakpiriba dance troupe aduga Tamenglong dagi hojik pangthok ki dance troupe ki group students pumnamak aduga maruina farmer Singh aikoigi orange grower Singh aduga media ki friends search ki leaders mayam punamak ai ikai kumnajaba do uchari ahanbada ai koigi sarkar sigi sahi amaga thamapan surappa ngasai gi marup karam samna suhai kre ta samuel na suhai kre awangbo na suhai kre ai khoi what we said what we promise ai khoi madu thabak oina wonthong na we try to deliver timely hujik Imphal jiri lambi Tamenglong satkani khanbada wanaramba mayamdo hujikti pung taruk sangambado hujik pung marida yobungame Tamenglong yoraga Imphal hanbangame hujik why jiri lambi phare jiri dagina hujik jiri lambi dagina yamna khoigi yamna thaisaram daba khongsang road ngasi chatpa yare Tamenglong bazar manung ai ngasai ta samal do jai bane ai nahan dagi Christmas ki mamang da Tamenglong ki bazar da ki na khunjaw wa bosi kolas thaba loi ge da bani ko Christmas mamang da hai bisa yam kan na da ki sai je gi bani do ja yam progress su yam phajna le ram me city bus service lakhre helicopter service lakhre nupi singi oiba women's market sangare Doctor Singh ngarang nahan magyam nungai naminini humni expert mayam la kada gall bladder ki operation aru operation kungi mathak ka tawe lambi pharam mina ada Imphal da wana porpagi mathuk tadre this is called governance akhoi sarkar pairaga ngasi akhoi MLA oiraga mantri oiraga laidisi karigino aduna ina I do discuss all the time with my colleagues akhoi na MLA praja mayam da akhoi na vote piu na khorma matam da kari haige ba seba ta honbiu habni praja ge then why not akhoi vote karwa matung da sahi kuntra politics auraba magi kendra du da koilas masit ama thada ba sang masa ma sada ba tauda yadabagi khara government ki machinery nom da tawraga leiba leaders yauri aduga Imphal da di moi ki property na full leire Imphal da property leiba Delhi da property leiba moi mathong ni praja gi yengoi han na yengoi aduna singi area se adum sothar ga lakwa adum sothar ga lakwa aduna khoi gi no balak siri ba khoi gi government aina hairam bodu yengbiu Tamenglong ki praja na aibu aikogi government bu receipt tobu numitu da felicitate tobu numitu da ina hairam ba laukthom mayam do amat phelo heloi what we promise we will deliver and we have started delivering water supply mayam uramani 40-50 crores ki water supply kan tawri bane Oza Chhatra Singh, Oza Singh, Dr. Singh la agalai pham leite bagi mafam hujik Swapna Mandav in progress hoi mamang da tauramba loisan basu yadaba loisan da basu yadaba khar leye koi secretariat kum sarami ba secretariat madu secretariat sarami si fajana PWD gi engineer expert ka yaur ka fajana sabo ramagadi ngasigi asigi film si leiroi matam du da paisa lok thok yana ba da khan gi ba building ama yungkhal laga loire paisa lok thok ga loire na khan gi ba ngasi baw da sahi tara sur baw da loisan ya da leisine ba ai khoi sumai to roi akhoi di saga da bu sagani matam kang na khoi mayam da pigani tamai da bank hangre market loi khre tamai gi so tamai da su ji rainwater harvesting kanna sagali district ki level gi block level gi school kanna hujik thaba hori jaga da we are moving around yengi khoi adu thaba amta lefande ana ngasi aina ahan bada yam men noina ina mayam da thamjaning base ngasai gi district amagi khoi government in a particular or report khara professionally festival da wera so se ukrul da Siroi Leli Festival ukrul gi laigre Senapati gi ai tarik tarago humdoi da sasa gadori Barak Festival Senapati district ki wena ai khoi Tamenglong gi si Orange Festival sino wai gadra ngasai gi Amul Palkar haiba uchek tu gi adu gi dunu wai gadra haiba sima ingon da su confuse kitang leiba district level gi festival nataba state level gi international level gi siroi da tawriba maina barak da tawriba maina sauna mai Tamenglong gi tongninge madu hujiki uchek ki da tawsira or sigi orange gi si tawsira haibasima ai honorable MLA ani aduga autonomous district council gi chairman members in the madum tai athuba matamda mayam dagi report pame maramdi district khudingi sugumba akhak naba state na recognize toba state na sponsor toba ngasi orange festival si id state level ni haibagi wani state na organize toramde chumnagi mating pibani district level gi DC gi level da committee torome barak festival koi handaki sahi dagi haukre state level gi wena ai chief minister gi chairmanship makada loina yaura kanda sauna festival to bahore similarly akoi Tamenglong gi su hujigi uchek ki to tawsira sigi sit tawsira amadi state level da pukhalaga chief minister na chairman oiba aduguma soba committee amgi makada fajana mathang sahi dagi tawnaba tawse hai nei mayam da I masima I lok thok charamge state level gi ado ani du manung da karamba oisigi edu di Tamenglong gi prajana khallaga bibiro amana hujiki khoi gi ngasai growers ng hai ki bodo yam chumme ai khoi hujik si komla si tawringa da lupa ma da phangani tha ni sonda ki bakanda lupa chama pige su phangaroi kari gi akoi fajana systematically akoi masibu preserve tokde kari gi akoi kana su puning changde thaba sing do thagani yonma matam na yongani leita matam na tokani sire hinge without proper guidance proper authority ekoi tawbo aduna hujik ngasi gi sidai da ine assure ma tokjaram ge assurance ma pijaram ge ngasai loan gi hai gi bodo any grower orange grower anybody mama gi area adugi mana hauri pa pambi masing kayano mana area kayam cover towi highway singdo with details with an authorization letter from the deputy commissioner concerned ayegi area sidai da sumaina orange hauri with photographs hairi ba pochi puraga honorable MLA singi kuthangda lakpiro अथुब मतमदा दरकार लेबा लोन ओइरो अदुगा अखोगी स्टार्टअप हैदना पॉलिसी लई से मतेंग पांगबा याबा ग्रांट यावना पीबा याबा मफम लई अदुना मदुगी ngasai तामैगी तौसेमगी ग्रोवर अमना हाइबिगिबदो एनी टाइम एनी मोमेंट हुजिकी हाइरिबसे सांखरसी डीसी की ऑथराइज तो हल्लकांदा फोटोग्राफ यावरकांदा लमदुगी एरिया दुगी कयाम थारी कमाई तौरे दो तौरकांदा पूरगा लाकपिरो आई सुंगसोई सोइदना लोन की सब मतेंग पांगनी है बिजमे में आमदे एश्योरेंस तोगे मरमदी मॉनिटरी सपोर्ट लेतना टेक्निकल सपोर्ट लेतना कोई ग्रोवर्स हिंगबा ngамोय फागतपसु ngамोय अमना I would like to request to the Director Horticulture, and fortunately today we are having the in charge of Horticulture Minister of Horticulture Equipment Yauri, Director Horticulture Su Yauri. Ngasidagi I canon katanga Director request of the Honorable Minister na just within weeks sidaida Tamenglong da specially Sigi orange Sigi Weba Mari Lane about the horticulture research group ama team mama research ama Tamenglong kita orange itu gimana? Karigino pambi series eh, project ang saigi sidai dai ure pambi siba yauri. Tinna masih macam sana ikut prevent obi batai. Madu kita mukta hidak darkar lere kari darkar lere aduna specially Tamenglong gi orange kita mukta department ki weba committee ma hayeng makki manungda who will lead habatu tawrakanda komla gi thariba jaga tin jawa chadaba kaidoba karina fagat ke khokat ke yengsinaba mi ani ahum gi team ma government gi thola agani habisi makai madunda assurance of jana makai ko adagi amana cold storage ya maruwai cold storage se koi already ai hana sampat haidna industry ki makha da koi na state ki oina packet ka da district sing gi da proposal da yaw khre madugi proposal du gi matung in na koi se pharzol da koi ginger gi festival chalu ai ginger gi festival du chalu ro matung ga da moi gi demand matung in na moi gi dryer process tongna na kari kari machine khin gre hoje marketing chin bi gre moi loina marketing tawrga anda hoji nungai na yolaga phajana production su hena leire similarly why not akoi gi Tamenglong gi marketing kari wadoino komla ba Tamenglong gi komla si gi branded ama drakar le khoi special how graba thungraba vitamin yaw si gi poche khoi Imphal da Guwahati ra or somewhere cosmopolitan city capital city gumba ma da Sigi branded tawraba port amagi madugi store gumba ma hanga kanda madudai da marketing tawna na bagi hojik e marketing gi koi kano leire platform leire everywhere da hoji ginger ga jakoi Manipur na leidre adagi leire sahau ba panda leire loina e marketing gi facility leire hairi ba poche sam honorable minister Sam Kumar da ina haja ga da basi director su yauri hojik ki nakhoina same go doriba committee especially horticulture ki same go doriba Tamenglong orange ki same go doriba committee sida da hujiki sigi marketing gi karmaina tawada gi habi expert su yohon biro aduga tin targa sibudu nataba production kamaina hankaran ga dage haibudugi madugi pot punamak do madugi hujiki committee do da sinabiro aduga ngasai grower mayam su yoholaga committee ma sembira kanda time to time thamada muk or thani da muk meeting to minarga interaction to nabudo madu kanda da koi business type commercial type da koi lakpang ngoni na tadi hujik is na hingmang amoy madu duma I government side ke koi fully support okay adagi ngasai gi packaging gi kari gi dudi processing gi gadudi ayamba ekoi yaure laiba phadana ngasai awang bong nusu honorable MLA nusu hairame aina aikoina BJP da sangam dai da Manipur si irang na thanbanina Singha, Tamga, Kano Kunganga, Impalga, Madugi Sayed never Nuaitaba Mayam, Karidagino in a cocked filter or Kanamashidi, Saput Pamana the Bugini, a Quimasin development, the Sang Mana the Brini have walked alone to the Torkana. BJP getting national leaders in the Manipur says some man and a Sakuna, but sing the Tamgalabunina. Topographical need-based budget we need. So, then only we can equally develop in a prosciutto budu. Madu donor ministry in a tabi rakanda, prime minister level, Yorakanda, hill area development fund in a Barat Pumbagiwana, Singa Tamgaleva state sing the Nagaland Gumayog de Mizoram Gumaching Atalebiog de Singa Tamgaleva state sing, identified Torkanda, Himachal Gumba, Chhattisgarh Gumba, Gawa Gumba, Mayam Torkanda, District Marifuga, some subject to correction, Kanbakanda Kui Tamenglong Europoni, 90 crore extra lakponi. Madugi 90 crore gi work program do Ikoi, Honorable MLA Singh, Lady District Leader Singh, Young Ikoi, Pajana Ayon, Pamin Rakanda, Karai they invest over again. Nahangai Tor Mishidi Hunbanate Ising like the Mamapam the shoe, irrigation canal gi dams Harambagumba. Komla hogda bazaga komla gi loan piram bagumba means potential feasibility like the bazaga invest orum bagi fold to fang the bane aduna koi madugi du yam kumna khana rakanda madugi work program same bada center da thagre madai da audience gi processing gi cha gi processing gi aduga koi kainogi packaging gi cold storage katani yaudaba amna cold storage ma sampat ki da yaugre madu kayam thuga da ge thuroi da ge na ai amtang khangtok ki ge aduga kari gumba hujiki sampat ki da industry gi through da gi thari basna thenga da bo eraga di state ki fund gi oraga su sungsoi na cold storage ma orange ki damakta di ai Tamenglong da soi na sagani ha bisima ka I am the assurance of the room. I see Laukto Aga Taboksu Togdabaya the Banina Tabok Tonabahona Bada Adum officer Mayam, I am Toina Launaba, Kanaba Dum Tui, Adunai Nangota Togoda Tabacrese, Masia Mayam the assurance of the room. Adu Hosi Pawada Aina Sum Hot Pada Production 2014-15 dagina 17-18 bhaushi da metric ton 43.81 sidagi hen katri adu ngasai hen katri maram je kari no ngasai gi duni systematically technically me akhoi tawdrieba sumnagi farmer khana thajaraga mada palak bakra du go ga tawdane aduna hujikti sigi committee sima la adamina committee siga growers singa tana biro pambi Hena jaga karai the thabi production ji kari hida khapuga khare hena puthokpa yai kari kamai tawna charge si da yai se loina madu tanaraga technical support yauna tawrada mina mathang sahi da khoi production ngam hen mangamani aduna cold storage ama sabagi potumai sungsoi soi dana ai tawjarage haidana mayamna thamge thamjari adagi amana ekhoi gi ngasai memorandum Kara Pibirei, NGO Forum, Tamenglong District NGO Forum, Nasing Badagi. Masidai da Haida issue dum Hujiki Haidiba Ayamba, District Shiki Taba Inghang Tobomatam da Makoi Bisu, Kangan Biu, Aduga speed up Tobu, Adagi District area Karada Tabuk Lotion than a ladyba, Adi Adi Basing, Lotion Biu. Haiba general over pony development gida aduna masi puna maksi ai one by one wina ai haidna leiragadi mayam thengagani aduna ai matam sangna logjer roge yam maruina Tamenglong da ai khoi gi oiba emphasis government in pinning ba number 1 infrastructure lambi thong Ising Sigi Kaifundai to Hablong Kaifundai to Hablong si Gilambi si Loibamatam de Koi नानाई ऑनरेबल एमएलए गवारी सानबनी गुवाहाटी चटपसे 300 किलोमीटर मुक टेंजले मसीमा खोई कइनोगी मखादा नेशनल हाईवे 100 पिरगा सीआरएफ की मखादा हापी हाइदना एनआईसीडीसीएल गा तौदना कन्न हुजि कइनो साब होनरी खुगी डीपीआर सेंबा अदगी हुजि सिगी इनक नकपदा फाउनबा यादरबा कांगसुप लंबीसी थुना लोइसनबियु हाइदना सिदैदा तौरे अदो लाइबक थिबदी याम तोइना मी किडनैप तौबा याम तोइना सिदैदा थबक सुरिबा मीसिंजे किडनैप तौबा ngarang maktasu valley views ni hai hill gi ni hai kari ni hai moi khara laga thabak lepo hairame haibagumba sugumba he khara thoi aduna I seek your cooperation development da di yaringai disturbance to widaba ngarang ingonda lambadu valley views ingonda city woni irapirapani organization kharana tawraga demand tawi adu thabak lepo kholu haina sigi praja nungai hanji haibani mayamna tawriba thaba adum tawbiyo tawbuda development da disturb to biganu haibani ina hajabadi maramdi development da disturb to gabadagi praja kayam nungai reusi anga sai wari sar laine pung taruk ka thaga da MST Manipur se transport to pung mari dagi full loi lerame haidi lairaba masagi car puthoga chatpa ngamjadaba masagi bike puthoga thaw hapaga chatpa ngamjadaba praja mayam am leiriba aduna hairiba pon mayam si loina amta tawram da gai namjal laga thanamaga politics tawrine na ha sing na du tawi tam na du tawi maitai na du tawi naga na du tawi kuki na du tawi na pangkat ta khana halaga ungkhat na halal leibine hujik su yauri hujik su ngang yedum ngang ganu hujik ngang ba matam nate thabak oina chalo yengu singi silinau singi praja gi mabukta leibudu yengu kaya nungsigi yengu kaya phage yengu nangondagi hana phaune mi loi farakani ai di phatraga mi phau di suya yaroi hai visni khogi philosophy ai fa batai ai na hana pi batai give adu logo the take give and take ai na sum ai gi oiba wakhan khakta da ai haijina summabani ai na ngammabani ai na farabani ai na tawbosina mafarabani leiraga mayam punje bi yaroi ai na tawrisina sini noina kari pambano tawmina sina na hugdo noi kari pamge noi gi wakhan song ta hayo ai noi na pambadu su tawge hayo yarak tabu kana legi ngune sangai festival mau da handak lamjen chele sangai festival gi mau gi adugumba cherry blossom sangai festival gi part ama oire siroi lili da tampaki mina sande gari da lising tara kuni mathak ta ukhul lambi mi uba phangde lambi uba phangde yes sign of gasi Tamenglong kayam nungai re ai ngasai jabdo sigi lambi simda ka fauro gadi kayam tension gani Jalarong community ka lairamba Manipur gi relationship ngasi haipau jadonangi magi pak sema ka ngasi koina sahi khudingi lali rani gaidelu gi Honorable Prime Minister handak March ki tarik tra wada anniversary ki lambadu da inaugurate torami kayam phajana semko lagalai respect utpatabani respect pi batabani respect pi rakandre khune respect lobu yagani nang hana ingon respect to roidu yaroi aina hana respect ul kan mi su respect ul kadab aina sumai to ul rakanda mi respect to royar aduna ekhoi isadagi sense ekhoi isadagi hogudabani aduna aigi approach koi government jagi approach mayam ga manaroi ekhoi practically huji aina haijar mi khare se thabo oina to biro growers sing horen dagi hayeng dagi ai area gi lam DC dagi clarify to biro sigi area se ai gi ni sidai da komla pambi suk tauri suk puthoi haibagi details sama to biro DC dagi recommendation se pu biro aduga ai gi horticulture gi director ga una biro then adu dagi ai gi table da la kanda bank dagi oiro karamba dagi oiro na khoi gi demakta pak sanna production puthokpa yana na ba madugi thabuk to khoi mating pangge sarkar na khoi gi damtani sarkar na leiri se aduna ai collection akhoi le chi kai gino praja gi ni praja na nungai an jeba praja nungai bide khoi yaw ne helicopter tong bagi Tamenglong de helicopter pai bagi nungai budo photo ka pa thare ngod autonomous district council gi isin ne pe da khoi Tamenglong da ngasi gi launching ni khoi pai ra chakadore an whatsapp tha thagale madu gi nungai bud praja na nungai ra chat padu nungai budo feel to je be khoi aduna atai masidai da demand khara lam khara occupy to level sing clear to view aduga government gi machinery sing district jail and court district information office district horticulture office yes number 1 ihan hanbada district ki horticulture office simadi masimadi thuna tawrakanda horticulture gi official kharas deida adum posting pirga nokhoi ga tanaraga matam gi thabak tongnana bodo madu madi masimada ihana tawrage haidan madu madi khale aduga ngasai gi district fishery office Manipur State Road Transport Corporation gi sigi office Manipur State Road Transport Corporation se Manipur State Transport hairabani road corporation je kaktat kharabani MST Manipur State Transport and manadi corporation ji amut kalle na ba adagi amana ngasai complete oinna ba district court buildings adagi ongoing construction of FCI godown adagi ongoing GNM NM Nursing Institute at Tamenglong mini secretariat hairiba singsi aina hansu amon su yengal labani kramaina kari to boya ge haidana ba amana yam nungai ba amana Manipur gi ahan ba chingi matam du da district lauk thok poda akhoi Tamenglong se amane ahan ba aduna 2019 da di engon do hojik akhoi gi honorable MLA amadi leaders in the tambada 2019 da akhoi gi centenary tai hai district Tamenglong district fangi bagi madumagi celebration du madu khara fajana sao na akhoi punna tongminana ba maduma egi level dai organize tokjar ke hain mayam da mai thamjaram ge madugi pride madugi nungai ba aduna last ta lotion jarak pada farmers sing sabuk subi di basing na puning hanbi gano darkar lai ba posting do ngasi di na khoi gi government la ya matam sana akhoi ga pau phau na si hairiba committee noina ayuki nungdangi wa haibam akoina mi pira gni sub committee sema ga hayeng mak office chakra kanda koi order tholake hairiba singduga growers singa phauna bira kanda loan logda bogi oiro hida ke oiro amagi ro tor kanda hen pothok na ba aduga ecologically sidi deforestation nate sidi afforestation ni thajan bani greenery hankel kadoi ni product hankel ni punamaki afaba poni aduna koi government na chap chana support toge madugi damta koi ready lei haiba wakhum khar thamjaraga ai Tamenglong gi praja mayambu amon ai khurumjari jai hind.
Thank you so much, sir. But before you leave, sir, we would like to request you for the launching of a website of a local daily newspaper. The name of the newspaper is The Jam. This is a paper registered under Registered News of India, which started in the year 2002. We would like you to do the needful, sir.
Ziki media house sigi www.discsam.com launch taujare.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir, for your beautiful speech, for your words that uplift our spirits, that warmed our hearts, that filled us with hope and encouraged the whole people of Tamenglong and the orange growers in particular. The people of Tamenglong, thank you so much for coming here to our district today as a chief guest of this 15th State Level Orange Festival 2018. Please do keep up your good works. We wish you and your government all the very, very best. I, on behalf of the people of Tamenglong, would like to take this opportunity to wish you and also all the other cabinet colleagues who have come along with you a very, very happy Christmas 2018 and a very happy New Year 2019. We have come to the concluding part of this morning session, the first part of the first day of the Orange Festival. We shall now have the visit of stalls by the chief guest and the dignitaries. There are around 170 stalls, and all these stalls are in the competition. The results of the competition, however, will be announced only on the last day, which is the 10th of December, Monday. But the competition, however, is already on. We would like to request stall honor pang nun gwai tai kabam katung skol kabam lo na puo. Tau hai stall hai inspect supinite mi jang khrena kabam khatai katung stall khatai kama ding sui na ding lau puo riu sui na riu lo na puo tumita kama ti thai la da pitung the. Stall hai mai mang atho galo du rio mai ga ngan ni bam rio bats ka minun pang dan khan jialo na bam lo na inspector gom magan ku ma riu sui na riu lo inspection gom magan kau riu sui ri riu lo puo ta na kama ti tha lo ni pitung the.
Information na khati lau ni orange growers kathui asai participate sunabam mai stall khabam nun ka goi khauti thai lawe thuan hai khong skill kai migan khau 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. hai seminar hai 9 na bame seminar ka zau mang mai kathui hai la tau ni mi tong sarok tai la tau trop ge tu me hai ti thai ran na ti thai lawa tu me zang kharai salam mi tong all the orange growers who participated today's orange competitions and the stall are requested to attend the seminar. It's not requested, it is mandatory to attend the seminar on 9/12/2018, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., which is compulsory tomorrow, and APR also will be signed tomorrow. Kumlana Guang lau mang mai kathui guai hai katong saruk tai la tau palake tu me hai ti thai lau tong ko me jang roi orange growers nun ka guai tan thuan swai manga seminar ka za la pudi khang jang hoi da mi tong kom la na ni takai na ba mi tong program hai Tom TV 1973 Tata Sky 1973 Tata Sky. I repeat 1973 Tom TV khau hai Kandi ka kun azu ka goi na khau hai takai na bam hai hau na bam to nge kama first Manipur satellite channel re kama live telecast ta pa na bam hai katong mobile khau khani laptops khau Facebook YouTube ka goi na khau hai zau sui na zau na bam gai zau nu na ni ba me khani Tata Sky 1973 khau hai lia lau na ba me ko me jang roi mai Matthew na zau sui na zau lau tan na pam puti khang Tom TV Việt hang roi na ti thai lau do mi to ngai to ku the Hello ko man ti thai lau da ke loi gon khat ko me tu ka make run hai spec hai ka thing kai lau mai noi bam kon announcing booth khau gwang a lau da puti khang jang hoi mi to ngai spec hai ni tan si me ko mi jang roi mic hai hau pat lak mai na ni ta bam khong zut laurina ko mi jang ren zia lau nan ta announcing booth khau aniu bam mi dak khau hai ka tu mai na ka mic run na mu lau kan mai ko mai ta ka mic ka thing lau kan mai ko ta ka tham ma gwang a lau da put ha ta na jang hoi lau da mi to ngai thon ku te
Hello, took my information akad orange growers got it hyper rate me to tao VIPs go arena stall inspection tat kai na ba me mi tai loi kan ni tai card rai mai pu na bam lo nang tong stall khota man sai akad kare bam hallo bam hulo ma khang to my orange growers pang got it hyper tong the kalam tho judging sumitong laundry ta ka ho panthe kum pisang kharina orange growers nene goi ka thuk na ti thai da kloi da pitong VIPs goi rena inspection round loi kanita mai akhat na bam lawo tuna jang hoi pitong the
ก็มันที่ไทยเราได้กลัวเย่ก่อนคัดก็ไม่ทุกก็ make run หาย spec หาย katong
จ
katong saruk
ะ
tai la tau palake tu me hai ti thai lau do mi tong ngai
งหวยไปตรงแท้
ให้ stall visit สุเมรุนาใส่ตวงและทวนตรงตันดวนทุกมาลวยเราเท vote of thanks ให้นายถวยรำมาเคมีให้อันนี้เขาบำไกมินุนกวยเนื้อให้ host ดิเทศเนื้อก็มาลาลโคก็มากระแปงแซงทะลุกวงไม่เจียนะให้พูดถึงคุมงานของกวงมินุนตะทูทวนนี้ทวนกูเรากันเทก็มันแต่กลวยดันนี้ทวนกูเวลาสลับไปตรงนี้เมื่อกวยนั่นแต่ที่ติงไหนตันมาเมกันเขาวงจุยนะดงจุยนะกระตัวนงานในบำเราไม่ขังตัดได้นะทวนกูไปตรงนี้ให้ก็มันแต่ให้ stall ให้ inspection ให้รวยนะสุตังกันคนในไทย public นุ่นกวยครั้งนี้ให้ผู้ให้กำลังตรง stall ให้ล้านปนี้มีแรงคนมีกันตักมักสัน visit สบายไม่ปังรนากัน exit point ขตรนา leave สมักสันแต่เจลนะกวงเราเปรียวกวงเราเปรียวก็มา volunteers นุ่นปังรนานี้กันนี่ก็ตายเจ้าเสียนบัมปนี้มีต่างกันนี่ตัวรวยกันนี่ไทยไม่เว้ยนะข้าง open สลับปนี้ลิวนี่ไม่รนาก็มาลิวนู่เว้สาธิปฏินเราหนูเว้ห่วงอันนี้สมน้ำคนหนูเว้กุ้งมังกรจวนมังคนหนูเว้ไม่แต่ลานนี้ไม่รู้นะลานนี้ไม่รำตัวลานนี้ไม่ตัว grower ตัวบัมขัตรนาก็มาลานาลิวนากำลาตัวไงตัวไงไม่เกี่ยวกำลาอาศัยงั้นสินะลิววังนากคนเขาพุ่งตันหนูเว้ใส่ละทุนตั้งเซสชั่นถ้าเขาเลยเทสักก็ไม่ตัวก็มาติงซินให้กะฮักไม่ตัวโปรแกรมนายบัมเทTamenglong's Got Talent TZT แต่ว่าไม่ได้ติงซินเกี่ยวกับนายบัมเทอาร์ติสต์กษัตริย์กษัตริย์นะอันนี้Tamenglongคนน่ะให้กันไม่ talent ฮิดีกำกายไม่นายกันไม่กวยนั่นที่ให้ในขณะตัว audition บัมตังเลยกี่ select สุภาพเมนุนไตใส่ติงซินให้กันอยู่นะเรียนแต่ปนี้มีให้ competition นี้ results เรื่องคำเลี้ยงไม่เต็มเมนุ่งที่ปะปนี้อันนี้ตรงTamenglongเขาบ่ไม่Tamenglongไม่นอนนุ่นปังอดีกรรมกันอยู่ตรงตะเล่นนายกันไม่กันอยู่รำไทยกันไม่ตรงใจให้ถึงสิ้นให้ไกไม้ไม่ปังไกเลี้ยงไม่ปังกระดาษไม่ปังเรื่อง perform สุดนี้ไม่แสดงคนมีขังไตมาสุดนะถึงสิ้นควงปุ่งกูไกเหมือนกันกับเขาปนี้กวงจีนกวงเราได้เปิดอยู่ขังแต่นี้ก็มาแสดงหวยไปตรงนี้ไม่แต่น่ารำมาเก้ music show นาย bands ไกซีรนะขจันตัดกันไม่แพ้ไม่ไกซีรนะก็มากันนี่ perform สุดนี้ resurrection ตัวไม่ band นาย rhythmic soul นาย eros นายก็มา the wishes ตัวไม่นี่นาย search and found ตัวไม่นี่นายไอ้พวก band ไว้รนะกันนี่รนะทนใส่จิงบังให้กันนี่ perform สุดนี้กะกายแทงตะลกีนับตู้ใจไม่นะให้แบบปวนลุ่มไม่พิวจุยนะพิวลกีให้ตัวติงเซนตรงฟังก์ชันเขาเห็นนี่เซอร์วิสเขาเห็นนี่เมื่อกี้นะในล้อไม่ต้องกำลังไงตรงไรเลียงไม่ติงเซนตรงในล้อไม่แต่ก็มาเมื่อกี้นะกระดำเราเดลอนสามเราดนุขังวงปัวแต่นะก็มาแจงหวยไปตรงเท่กระจันตัดกันไหมกำลังไงมณิปุรกำเพากันไหมอินเดียก็ไทยนอนนะบ้าไหม international arena ของงานไทยนะบ้าไหมให้เพากันไหมกำลังไงให้กระเฮาเทไรเลียงไม่ต้องติงไม่เขาไรเลียงไม่ต้องเซสชันเท่าไรเทติงเซนให้ก็มาเซสชันขนาดนั้นปนี้ทวนกระดาวตัวไม่ให้นี่ก็มาให้ผู้กำลังไงให้ก็มาตะไคร้บัมปนี้ก็มาเท่าก็ไม่ใส่ให้กวงดังมั่งไม่นายบัมคนสินี่นะแต่ละทวนทางเซอร์วิสก็กวงดังมั่งแบบบัมคนสินี่นะติงเซนกี่กวงดันเวทวนกวงดันเวกระดาวกวงดันเวให้ผู้ตรงออเรนจ์กำลังไงให้ติงกุมเขากวงเวนะเด้มีแสงกวงเวเหมือนกันเขาให้อันนี้กระดำเรานะเฮ้งกุนกุรัตตุดับมังนะติงกุมตรงบายเด้กะกายบายไทยกุมตรงบายใส่กุมตรงบายไทยกระไรกุมตรงบายกุนตรงบายปนี้มาบายบางคนสิติงกุมกวงไม่ตรงกุมกันแต่นี้ก็มากระเจ้าเราละกี้ให้ผู้ตรงกำลังตรงไงที่ให้ง่ายเฟสติวัลตัวมีตรงให้ผู้ตรงมูดให้ผู้ตรงสปิริตก็ได้สปิริตนายนะกวงประเดี๋ยวครั้งก็ลุยในจังหวัดแต่ไปตรงไงเมื่อวันนั้นตัวทวนกูเทติงเซนควงปุ่งงูไก่เหมือนกันครนาอาริวเดไกดิโคไก่ไม่ติงเซน
Tell I was calling just to wish you well. Let me leave my number, Heartbreak Hotel. On lovely tender, baby don't be cruel. Return to sender, treat me like a fool. Calling Elvis, take your money home. Calling Elvis, I'm here all alone. Don't leave the building, can you come to the phone? Calling Elvis, I'm here all alone. All right. Why don't you go get him? I'm as big as a fan. You gotta tell him he's still a man. A long distance baby, so far from home. Don't you think maybe you could put him on? Tell him I was calling